This video provides an overview of the completion review process. Jason has requested a CPA review in PERT for his completion report. Once CPA Ontario has reviewed Jason's experience reports, he receives an email with the following instructions. He reviews the first step in the email. He then reviews the technical competency areas, noting that the reviewer has left a comment in MA4, Organizational Individual Performance Measurements. Jason self-assessed at Level 2 for the root cause analysis he performs against established targets for the revenue growth KPI. He performs this analysis monthly and included his recommendations to address the variances in performance. He reads the reviewer comments. Jason notes that the CPA reviewed proficiency has not yet been set, so he can edit this sub-competency area. Jason reopens his verified report and updates it to provide examples of the root cause analysis he performs for the market share and customer churn KPIs, including recommendations made to address variances in performance to plan. He has been evaluating all these KPIs monthly since he started in his role. Finally, Jason checks the enabling competency areas and the Notes tab of his experience report and does not see any further comments from CPA Ontario. Jason then reviews the second step in the email. As Jason has updated his report for the reviewer comments in his technical and enabling competencies, he resubmits his report to his supervisor for verification. Once his supervisor verifies his experience report, he resubmits his CPA review request. After CPA Ontario has finalized the review of his completion assessment, Jason receives the following email. Jason had previously passed the Common Final Examination, CFE. Since he's now also completed his PE requirements in PERT, he can anticipate an email from CPA Ontario which outlines the next step in his admission to membership journey. Congratulations, Jason, on a successful PE journey. We hope these videos have been helpful in your PERT reporting process.